Hi, this is going to be a quick overview of the new Employee Access Center. Please remember, in order to access this website and the website for the employee timesheet, you need to use Internet Explorer or Safari. In order to sign in, you will use your employee number for the user ID. Your temporary password is the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. In order to change this information, you'll hover on the arrow next to your name and then click on the preferences. Type in your old password as the last 4 of your Social Security number and then select your new password and then change for you. On the left hand side, you'll see demographic information. You can click on that. This will show you an overview of all the information that Human Resources has for your employee file. Your employee number, your name, address, contact information, emergency contact, and so on. You can update this information by clicking on Update in the middle of the screen. Next, you can review your paychecks. You can click on Payroll Paychecks, and once we start paying in the new system, you will see paychecks in the section here. There is no data at this time because we haven't run a payroll in the new system. Once we start, you will see paychecks posted after each payroll. The next section you can review is the salary and benefits. When you click on the salary and benefits, it will show your specific information for your salary above, and then towards the bottom it will show your benefits. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see more information. In order to request leave in the Employee Access Center, you'll go over to the leave information and click. Remember that if you are currently using ASAP, you will continue to do so. This is only for employees who used MyView to select and request leave. The first screen that will appear will be your calendar. As you can tell from the bottom legend, green is holiday, any of the light gray purplish is the non-work day, and the weekends are in a dark gray. To see your leave banks, you'll click on Leave Banks, and you'll see your different leave options and how much balance you have left. To request a leave, you'll click on Leave Requests, add a new leave request, then you will be able to select the type of leave, the start date, and the end date. The hours will be for the total hours that you're going to be gone. You can select for a week at a time, multiple days. You cannot cross over weekends. Then you hit Submit. And the leave will be submitted to your supervisor for approval. When you're done, you can close out of that section of the browser. Other options that you can review in here is more information about your taxes. So you can print your W-2s next year from here. Your current W-2s for last year will still be housed in MyView. You can also look at your individual tax information and see what your exemptions and withholdings are. If you want to change this information, you can click on these additional information links. It will bring you to the tax forms that you can print out and send in to payroll. Also click on the deductions and benefits. You can then see a summary of all your different deductions, and you can click in to see more information. Once we start using the system for payroll, you'll be able to see this information populate for the current, the month, the quarter, year, and fiscal. At the bottom of your screen, you will see your banking information on where your deduction is being sent for your direct deposit. The What If Paycheck Calculator is where you can play around with your paycheck and your tax withholdings, and then hit Next, and it will calculate out what your new paychecks would look like. For the other options on the screen, We aren't currently using those. So you can ignore the employee information continued, the continuing education, the professional development, and recruitment module. Those are not currently being used. Thank you for your time listening to this presentation. If you have any questions, please email HR or payroll. Thank you.